How to change your Instagram date of birth. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can change the date of birth on Instagram. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now there are two scenarios where if your Facebook account is linked with the Instagram account, Instagram is going to extract the birth date from your Facebook, and the other is if you have an independent Instagram account. I'll show you how you can change on both of those accounts. So first, just go ahead and then launch the Instagram application. Come to your profile page, tap on the three lines on the top right corner, go to settings, select the option called account, go to personal information, and you can see date of birth. And since this account is linked with Facebook, I have to first update my date of birth on Facebook in order for the changes to be saved on my Instagram account. So which means that I have to select update on Facebook. Once I tap on update on Facebook, you can see log into the account on which you want to change the account and from. So once you go ahead and simply log into your account over here, it will basically ask you to change the date of birth. So first, let me also just go ahead and enter my password. Once I enter my password, tap on the login button and you will see this kind of interface where it will ask us to basically change our birthday. So basically what you have to do is come back and select the option called update on Facebook. Once you select update on Facebook, as you can see, it says me to change my birthday as well as birth year. Now when I change it over here, I'll be able to go ahead and then change it, and the changes will be automatically saved on my Instagram account if you've linked them. The other case is that I have my other account which is not actually linked to any of my Facebook account. So what happens if we try to change date of birth over here? We'll go and find that. Similarly, tap on the three lines and go to settings, go to the option called accounts, select personal information, and you'll find the option called date of birth. Tap on it, and if you don't have your Facebook account linked with your Instagram account, then obviously you can just go ahead and then change it just like that, and tap on the check button on the top right corner. It will ask you for a confirmation. Tap on confirm in order to go ahead and change the date of birth on Instagram. And this is simply how you can change the Instagram's date of birth. So as I said, if you have a Facebook account linked and if you do not have it, we hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.